didn't really have any before pictures, and so coming in to take a look at the pictures, it's amazing. It's unbelievable. Honestly, there was no pain. After about 2 or 3 months is when they kind of started noticing. They're like, and it almost seems like almost every week or every other week I'm getting comments like, wow, like, it's amazing that you know, and I'm like, yeah, and they're telling me this is just the beginning, so.
I was about 24 years old when I first noticed hair was thinning. I was constantly worried about my hair on a daily basis. It was affecting my day-to-day life on a scale that was becoming ridiculous. I looked on the website, I looked at the videos, I looked at the testimonials, I looked at the day of my procedure was much less stressful than I thought it would be. It was much less painful. Tell anyone that I knew, anyone who asked me to Dr. Bolton, to save them time, just go to Dr. B.
First started losing my hair at the age of 21. You don't want to get your hair wet in the pool and stuff. By luck, found out about this Dr. Bolton. I saw it from a YouTube video. It feels great.
Got you smiling again right now.
Yeah, definitely. I feel more. I was going to tell a little white lie and pretend that this is what you get when you have the operation afterwards. It's like a prize. Even though this is a girl I love, who I tell everything to. You said it looked that natural. I'll say it again. It is the best investments in my life. If you want those results, then this is the place to come. I'd like to thank Dr. Bolton for doing the procedure.
I had fears of just all my hair just falling out. My hair was to the point where there was nothing I could do with it. I feel the investment was well worth it. I would recommend Dr. Bolton to others. It was a fantastic result. It was a great experience. It was surprisingly easy, and I'm just a happy customer.
I've been a hairstylist for over 38 years. My hair falling out, so I was very concerned. Unbeknownst to me, I have a friend of mine that knows Dr. Bolton and Josh very well. We were just having dinner one night and the conversation came up. The results, beyond my expectations ever. That has a lot to do, I believe, with Dr. Bolton. The process is easy. Of course, Josh always will support you and stand by you. If anybody is thinking about doing any kind of hair restoration, this is something that I would, how can I say, is a gift from God in my mind.